Great institutions don't simply respond to the future, they help create it. For generations, the Gokula Education Foundation Medical has built institutions that combine academic excellence with real-world relevance. That vision continues to evolve. Now, with Ramaiah University College of Engineering in Electronic City, engineering education moves closer than ever to where tomorrow is being designed.
Every generation is defined by a place where the future is built. Today, that place is Electronic City, a place where ideas become technologies and technologies change the world. We believe the next generation of engineers should not merely study this transformation, they should be a part of it. That belief becomes Ramaiah University College of Engineering.
The future doesn't wait. It gathers where innovation never stops. RUCE was built at the center of that momentum.
Electronic City is one of India's most dynamic technology ecosystems, where global enterprise, pioneering research, and breakthrough innovations come together almost every day. By establishing Ramaiah University College of Engineering here, we have created an environment where students don't simply learn about engineering in classroom. They experience it within an ecosystem that constantly challenges them to think bigger, collaborate deeper, and prepare themselves for the opportunities of tomorrow.
Proximity creates opportunity. Experience creates engineers.
Innovation begins with curiosity, but it flourishes in an environment that encourages collaboration and experimentation. At RUCE, our maker spaces and interdisciplinary learning culture empower students to ask questions, explore ideas, build prototypes, and learn from every iteration. The spirit of continuous discovery enables them to transform creative thinking into practical engineering solutions that create real value for society and industry.
Engineering is never one discipline. It's many paths, one purpose, to solve what comes next.
Research is not an activity reserved for a select few. At Ramaiah University College of Engineering, it's an integral part of the learning journey. By engaging with emerging technologies, interdisciplinary research, faculty-led projects, students develop analytical thinking, technical depth, and the confidence to solve complex engineering challenges. This research-driven approach prepares them to contribute meaningfully to innovation, industry, and society at large.
Learning creates knowledge. Innovation begins when knowledge is tested, when ideas leave the notebook, become prototypes, become failures, become better ideas, and eventually become solutions.
Every experience at RUCE is designed with one objective: preparing students for success beyond the campus. Through industry engagement, experiential learning, innovation programs, leadership opportunities, and career-focused development, students graduate with knowledge, confidence, and professional mindset required to contribute from day one. They leave the campus not just with a degree, but with the ability to thrive in an ever-changing engineering landscape.
Curiosity sparks innovation. Research gives it direction. Questions become investigations, and discoveries become possibilities.
At RUCE, engineering education begins with experience. From the very first semester, students move beyond theory into application. Through cutting-edge labs, designing studios, makerspace, and real-world projects.
At RUCE, every program is designed around the future of engineering.
University of Albany is the first university in the US to have a whole college focused on nanoscience and engineering. For the first time, University of Albany is working with an Indian institution, in this case the Ramaiah, bringing to India for the first time the depth and the breadth of semiconductor education through this new BTech program in VLSI, which will reflect very closely with the R&D work and the academic rigor of nanotechnology work that is happening at University of Albany.
From computer science and artificial intelligence to electronics and communication and electronics engineering, with specialization in VLSI design and technology. Students gain the knowledge, practical experience, and industry exposure needed to thrive in a rapidly evolving world.
The future will be shaped by engineers who learn where innovation happens. Welcome to Ramaiah University College of Engineering. Welcome to the next hub of future engineers.